With our current weather conditions, it takes a real expert to create landscape that'll thrive. Riedel's Garden Center has the staff with the expertise of water requirements for plants, lawns, and landscapes that'll stand up to our changing weather conditions. With 25 years of hands-on experience, owner Darren Riedel will customize a landscape design and irrigation system to meet your expectations and our climate. It's recommended to protect your lawn using Fertilome products available at Riedel's Garden Center, an authorized dealer. Call or stop by Riedel's Garden Center today.
My name is Ken Vine. I am an Extension Master Gardener of Ellis County in the Cottonwood District. And today we're going to give you some pointers on storing your equipment for the winter. We use these tools all summer long, but the winter is a good time when we might have some extra time to take care of them and to sharpen them and really put them to good use for next year. I was touching on lawnmowers a little bit. One thing that I like to do to my small engines on the lawnmower is to dump the gas out and then start the engine and let it run until it dies for lack of gas. And so after it runs and it uses all the gas in the carburetor, then you don't have any gas in the carburetor, which will gunk up your carburetor over the winter or over a long period of storage. And also next spring, when you start it up, you'll have some new fresh gas going right into that carburetor. So that's a tip that I've learned. It's also a time to sharpen your equipment maybe. There's two ways to do it. One is with a whetstone, which I didn't bring, or with a file. Always, when you buy a file, always buy a handle for it. It's very important. So we have a bypass pruner here, right? And what I'm going to do, this would be a 0-degree angle. You lift it up to a 10 to 20 degree angle, like that. And it's very difficult to hold the tools. I like to put my tools in a vise, but if you don't have a vise, put it across the sidewalk and have one of your kids stand on the other end so that they'll keep it steady. So I'll demonstrate here. You just take your file and you go and it curved like that. Okay? This is a spade. It's the same thing. You always do it on a push stroke, like that. And you may want a little higher angle for a heavy-duty shovel like that, maybe like a 45-degree angle. So for the pruner, 10 to 20, shovel maybe 40. I want to go over handles. This handle here has never been out in the rain. It's always been in my garage, but guess what? The grain is raising. And so what I'm going to do, it just soaks up moisture from being humidity in the garage. So what I'm going to do is take some sandpaper and sand it down. Some of the varnish will come off. And then I'm going to take boiled linseed oil on a cloth and rub it down. And so that way it will keep your handles nice and smooth for a lifetime. If you want to get really into this, there's a K-State Research and Extension Bulletin called How to Clean and Sharpen Garden Tools. It really is a good one, and it goes over everything that I've talked about except for the lawnmower. And so I want to put in a plug for the Master Gardeners of Ellis County. We are always looking for new Master Gardeners, and we sure appreciate having you come. If you decide you want to be a Master Gardener, just go to the Extension office and ask for questions. Thank you.
With our current weather conditions, it takes a real expert to create landscape that'll thrive. Riedel's Garden Center has the staff with the expertise of water requirements for plants, lawns, and landscapes that'll stand up to our changing weather conditions. With 25 years of hands-on experience, owner Darren Riedel will customize a landscape design and irrigation system to meet your expectations and our climate. It's recommended to protect your lawn using Fertilome products available at Riedel's Garden Center, an authorized dealer. Call or stop by Riedel's Garden Center today.